Hello again, Nick Scheppa with Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich, and today I want to show you on how to set up some audio presets for your new Bentley Bentayga. First off, I want you to hit the home button so we get to this page right here. Then I want you to select radio. We're able to set up AM, FM, and Sirius XM for our presets. So for starters, I want to hit the source button right there. That will open up a tab for our different radio stations. I want to then select FM. Now for example, 107.1, I want to hit the star button right there. Saved as preset. Then I want to go ahead and do an AM station. I select AM. 540, I hit the star button right there. Go back to source. Now if I want to take a look at what is saved, I select the star button, being presets. The bottom left, I press that, and it will show us a list of the presets already. I hope that helps.